Hi everyone, the lesson 4 is Install Java. The steps we will follow will be we'll uninstall any versions of Java you have on your system because they might interfere with the new version. Then we will download Java from web, we will install it, and then we will set the environment variables, which is Java home and path. And after that we can just do a simple check to see if the installation is complete or not. So let's get on and start verifying control panel. So you go to run, open control panel, and you go and see, do you see programs, uninstall a program, and here we'll go and check for, let it load first. We will check, so see there is Java update and Java SDK kit. We are going to uninstall both of them. When you double click, it will give you a prompt and we say yes, remove. If you have anything here, just make sure you remove that because it's just gonna, and then you try to just install, it's gonna not work properly. So make sure you follow the step. It's gonna take some time. Okay, so now the development kit, again we double click, and so any folders you see Java, you just uninstall that one. That's it. Okay, looks like it's done. I'm going to search Java here to make sure that there are no items here which relates to Java. Now we can go to our second step, which is download Java. So open Google Chrome and say download Java. It takes you to oracle.com. Latest version of Java, which is Java 13. So depending upon what kind of system you have, I have 64-bit Windows, so I'm going to take this one and I accept. And this is how the JDK exe will start downloading. So make sure you download the correct version. If you are on Linux or you are on Windows, make sure you have the right one. And once this exe is done, we will double click on this exe. I'm just waiting for it to open the prompt. Okay. So now this window is for version 13. So make sure you download the latest version, or if you want to do some specific version, I had Java 8, but now I am doing Java 13 because that's the latest version. And it's gonna install it here, C programs, JDK, and it's gonna make a folder for JDK 13.0.2, and then here okay. So it says Java SE development kit, this successfully installed, and okay, close. Now because I clicked multiple times on that exe, that's why it is showing me those windows, but you should not see those. Now I'm going to go to control panel again to check if, do I see the programs which I have just installed. Okay, so now do you see this Java Development Kit 13.0.2 has been installed and the date is of today, so it looks like it is done. Now what the next step is to set the environment variables, which is Java home and path. I want you guys to go to your C drive, go run and see. You will see program files and Java, and you see JDK folder. So let's take a note of this JDK folder and go to control panel, home, system and security, and from here we go to system, and once you go to system you will see advanced system settings. This will open a prompt which will have environment variables. So if you see right now, I already have this Java home installed, but it is for 1.8 because I had 1.8 version. So I'm going to just update the JDK link to 13 now, because now I have the 13th version here, and the path. So let's go and edit the path variable. I don't see it here, but there must be another path variable down here. Edit. So do you see a lot of options? Do you see the JDK bin folder here? So let's update this one as well to 1.13 and bin. So now it should be good. So we have done the environment variables and it's good to go. The last, say Java -version, and it will if it is showing you this Java version, that means it was installed properly, and this ends this lesson, which was install Java. Thank you so much.